we're discussing in detail of cut sort command, and we'll have some idea on grep and e. Let's do the term applications, accessories, terminal. I'm going to desktop. In this data, I'm adding some lines. Okay, let's see. This is the data. Okay, now it is delimited with comma. Okay, instead of comma, I want to replace with some other. Okay, we'll discuss find and replace later. Okay, I'll just replace with this. Okay, now this is the CSV file. We can mention this. Okay, comma separated value file. Each word separated by comma. Now here each word separated by space. By default, any command works separated by space. If you want to work with the specified separator, you need to give -f option. Let's see later that one. Let's understand this how the cut works. Okay. Okay. If you want to cut with the desired column, you can mention -c. Cut -c. Which column I want? Let's I want the second column. Okay, it is taking A first column, B second column, like this. Okay. -c means character. Man cut. -c means character. -d means delimiter. Okay. Q. Cut -d. No. Let's see here. Yeah, I want to cut first column to third column in this file. Let's see. Cut -c 1 to 4. Yeah, first 4 characters from the file is printed. Okay. Cut -d means why it is coming. Let's try this. Yeah. Field. Which field you want to select? Okay. If I want to go to comma separated value file, let's see. Okay, if I want to print the cut here, you need to put separator here, comma. Then test.txt. Okay. Yeah, this is called field. Which field? This is first field, this is second field, third field, fourth field. If I want to cut by characters, I want to cut from first character to fourth character here also. It should cut only these lines, entire this. Let's do cut. Okay. You can cut any how many how many characters you want. 6 also you can cut. Even I can do F3. Okay. Okay, you can sort this also. Sort. It will sort. If you want to sort reverse order, sort F1R. Okay. I think cut everything looks clear. Here this command is missing here. Okay, no, I cannot copy. You can note it down, this command. Okay, in this CSV, first one is first field, comma separated by comma. Here, yeah, here these are the different fields separated by space. You can have anything. Okay. Okay, next one is sort. I want to sort by sort. Okay, let's do sort. Sort test.txt. Okay, I want to sort. Yeah, it is sorting alphabetical order with the starting. It will take starting. If first letters are both are same, it will again sort based on second. Okay, and then this is the simple sort. Okay, if I want to, okay, if I want to sort particular column. Okay, sort man sort. You can see the options here. Hyphen F ignore case. Here fields are different. Okay, hyphen R reverse order. Sort reverse order. Hyphen T field separator. Hyphen T you need to mention like this. Previously we did na field separator. Okay, like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, sort hyphen T, which is a field separator in this file, comma. Comma is a field separator. Okay, I want to sort by column 3. Column 3 means 3, 9, 5, 4. These items, these lines should be sort and then corresponding lines will come. Okay, hyphen K3. Then okay, you see sort based on third column, sort entire file. Okay, you see, yeah, sort suppose I am coming from starting. Okay, and this is the file test.txt. Okay, sort generally sort means alphabetical order. I want to, yeah, first entire lines dictionary. If you open dictionary, it will be alphabetical order. Same like that, I want to sort entire this file. Okay, right now these are not sorted. See, first A is there, second A should come in the second column. D will come after that, like that. Yeah, I want to sort the entire file based on the first character. Okay, sort based on first character. Sort test.txt. Okay, this is sort based on first character. If see first A, B, A come, again D come, again O come. These two are same character. Then it is again going to the next level. In this next level, B come first and S come next. Okay, it is sorted with the first character. Okay, by default. If I want to sort with the first column, then column, how can we specify here? This is the first column, this is the second column, this is the third column, this is the fourth column, and the field separated by comma. Okay, now sort hyphen t. Here field separator is hyphen t, and then hyphen t denotes field separator. You can check in the manual page also. And then field separator comma here. This is the field separator. Okay, comma hyphen hyphen k. Hyphen k is the which field you want to select. This is different from cut. Cut has a hyphen f is the field mention. Here k is the field mention. This you need to note. Okay, which so I want to sort entire file based on third column, third field. Okay, k3, and then okay, you can mention that fourth field also. See, all the third fields are sorted, but corresponding of lines also came along with. You see OSD fourth one. You see OSD fourth one, but here this is not in. This is in fourth row. Now it is come to second row, because sort based on third column. Okay, you can sort based on fourth column also. It will come. You see 2, 4, 4, 5. It will come like this. Okay. You can sort by first column. By default, space is the delimiter. Uh, if the space is the delimiter, you need not mention this one for data.txt. Space is the by default, na? You can this hyphen t is a by default option in space. Okay, it will sort automatically. Even if you want to give hyphen t, you can use hyphen t. Just give simple space like this. It should work. Okay. Okay, if I want to sort reverse order in the third column, sort hyphen t, or you need to mention, you see, sort based on fourth column with reverse order. Okay, all rows will be sorted out. Okay, next thing is, I think sort command, you have full understanding of this. Okay, next one is grep. Okay, let me add some more data there. Okay, let's do some grep. I want to grep by word ASD. Um, suppose, okay, you can search anything OSD in that file data.txt. It will, whatever the OSD word matches, entire line prints here. Okay, simple grep search. Okay, I want to search ls-ltr grep star.txt. I want to list only the text files. I can grep it. Grep can be used anywhere, anywhere. Okay, I want to list grep OSD star. How many files does OSD word is there inside the directory? Okay, inside directory OSD word data.txt OSD word is there. Data.txt OSD word is there. That OSD word data.txt two locations are there. Okay, I want to know which line number. Okay, in data.txt fifth line the OSD word is there. In data.txt fifth line OSD word is there. Test.txt OSD word is there. It will the whatever the search word it will display from, if this star, it will search in all the files inside the directory. It will search all these files. If I want to search these files inside this QQQ subfolders, you have to use -r recursively. It will search all locations. Now I am going to copy this data.txt in separate Rama folder, separate QQQ folder. Okay, now I run the same command. It will search. If I remove -n, it will search only inside the folder, only those files. If I use recursive function -r, you see in the this file this word matches, this OSD word matches, and then QQQ data.txt this word matches, Rama this. You see all the folders inside the desktop. I found the word. Okay, wherever it is. This through grep we can search. -n. -n means which line number in the file, which line number it is there. You can check that. Vi data.txt. If I go to line number 4, yeah, see OSD line number 4 it is there. Okay, not only string, not only ABCDs, you can search numbers also. I want to search numbers instead of OSD. I want to search 400 where it is. Yeah, you can search anything. You can search by space also. Mm, you can search like this. Just 3 space 400. You see, you will get entire search also. You can search space 400 also. You see how many files it is coming. You can search anything, any kind of thing using grep. You can search in all the directories. If the search is found, that file will get displayed here with line number. Okay. If I want to search two strings simultaneously, egrep, extended grep, this is egrep. I want to search QQQ. Even if QQQ is there or something like not QQQ. I'm searching inside the file now. Suppose ABC, ABC, and then OSD, and then anything DEF. Okay, and then yeah, star. If I want to search multiple words, either if a line contains ABC, display. If line contains OSD, display. If line contains DEF, display, like that. See, all lines we can print using extended grep. Okay, with this we can stop that today's class. We'll continue tomorrow.